Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the dark theme or dark mode in your Motorola Edge 30 Neo. To do this operation, search for the settings menu, go to the display here, and there is the option dark theme. Will never tune in automatically. Will never. If you hit it, you get the dark theme, as you see. There is a dark theme, and as you see, everything is dark. Yep, I like this theme anyway. If you want to disable it, go to one more time to the display and hit the dark theme, and you have a white theme. Yep. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!